Slurry pumps are available in two main types, horizontal and vertical. The horizontal slurry pump features a horizontally positioned shaft and motor, offering a low center of gravity and stability. It's ideal for handling high-concentration slurries with large particles. The design allows for easy maintenance, with accessible components like the pump body and impeller. In contrast, the vertical slurry pump is compact, with the pump shaft positioned vertically and the motor located directly above the pump. This design is perfect for tight spaces and environments where the pump needs to be submerged in the medium. It also has a strong self-priming capability, eliminating the need for external water supply during startup. The vertical design is especially useful for low liquid levels and specific applications where space is limited. Both designs are engineered to provide efficient and reliable solutions, ensuring optimal performance in diverse operational conditions.